Hello and welcome everybody to my channel Omni Bioentrance, and today I will be discussing IIT JAM question paper for the subject Biotechnology conducted in the year 2024. If you are new to my channel, please do like, share and subscribe. If you want still previous year question papers of IIT JAM being discussed, you can go to my channel Omni Bioentrance, select playlist. In the playlist select for IIT JAM and you will find them there. Now coming to the first question. Which of the following is a simple tissue system in plants? So epidermis. Epidermis is not a simple tissue. Simple tissues are tissues composed of only one type of cell and they perform similar function. So here parenchyma is the answer. Answer is option B. Then in DNA replication, the Okazaki fragments are joined by. So they are joined by DNA ligase. Answer is option B. The most abundant type of RNA in a metabolically active mammalian cell is rRNA. These are all direct questions. That's why I am not discussing much. So B, rRNA is the answer. Which organelle in a eukaryotic cell is the site of electron transport chain? Naturally, it is your mitochondrion. Answer is option C. RNA is a polymer of, ribose, sugar and nucleotides. So, ribonucleotides. Answer is option C. Which of the following is present in a bacterial cell? 28S rRNA is eukaryotic. 70S ribosome, that is bacterial. Chitinous cell wall is found in fungi and histones are also eukaryotic. So answer is option B, 70S ribosome. Which color of light excites a natural GFP to emit green fluorescence? So it is blue. Answer is option A. Then which of the following hormones promote fruit ripening? It is ethylene. Answer is option C. Which of the following has a catalytic RNA? It is ribosine. Ribonuclease H is an enzyme that degrades RNA-DNA hybrids. RNA polymerase 1 and 2 are responsible for transcription, not are catalytic RNAs. So B is the answer. Match the terminology in group 1 with the stimulus in group 2 that generate growth response in plants. Gravitropism is gravity, P4. Phototropism is light, Q1. Thigmotropism is touch, R2. And chemotropism is chemical, S3. It was a very simple match the following. Answer is option C, P4, Q1, R2, S3. The correct hierarchy of taxa in the Linnaean classification of eukaryotes is. Remember this statement. Dear King Philip came over for good soup. So D stands for domain, K stands for kingdom, P stands for phylum, then C stands for class, O stands for order, F for family, G for genus and S for species. So the order they have asked here, it will be kingdom, phylum, class, order, family, genus. So the answer is option D. Then next one. Which of the following statements about polyploidy is correct? Okay, autopolyploids and allopolyploids. Okay, autopolyploids are derived from a single species and they result from doubling of the chromosome within a single species and they produce multiple set of homologous chromosomes. Whereas allopolyploidy result from hybridization of two different species followed by doubling of the chromosome in this species and it result in non-homologous chromosomes. So first one, autopolyploids are derived from single species is correct. Autopolyploids are derived from two different species is wrong. Allopolyploids are derived from single species. No, they are from two different species. Allopolyploids are not fertile when mated with each other. They can be fertile among themselves. So A is the right answer. Then next one. Which one of the following hormone is a thyroid derivative? So out of these, it is epinephrine. Estradiol, progesterone and testosterone, they are derived from cholesterol. Then next one. Which of the following immunoglobulin crosses the human placenta? It is IgG that crosses the human placenta. Determine the correctness or otherwise of the following assertion and reason. Assertion. The resolving power of a transmission electron microscope is higher than that of light microscope. Of course. The wavelength of electron is shorter than visible light. That is the reason why the resolving power of transmission electron microscope is higher than the light microscope. So both A and R are true, and R is the correct reason of A. Match the morphology in group 1 with the corresponding microorganism in group 2. Coccus. Coccus, it is Neisseria. P3. P3 is there only in A. So that must be the answer. Then rod shaped are bacilli. Comma shaped are vibrios R4, and spiral shaped are treponema S1. So P3, Q2, R4, S1. That is correct. Then, which one of the following genetic crosses and their results indicate cytoplasmic inheritance? So, cytoplasmic inheritance, the traits are encoded in the mitochondria or DNA or chloroplast DNA are transmitted. And the transmission is solely through the female. There is no paternal contribution in cytoplasmic inheritance. And all the offsprings, they inherit the mutated trait from the mother. There is no segregation of traits also. Now in this we will see. Wild type male with mutant female, 100 progeny are mutant. So female is mutant, progeny are mutant. So naturally it must be cytoplasmic inheritance. That is because the mutated female transmits the mutated cytoplasmic DNA to all the offsprings, and it doesn't take the male genotype into consideration. So A is an example of cytoplasmic inheritance. Whereas others, if you see, wild type male, mutant female, only 25% of the progeny are wild type. So male doesn't contribute the cytoplasmic DNA. So B is not correct. Mutant male, you get 50% progeny mutant. The male doesn't contribute to cytoplasmic inheritance. So C is also not correct. Mutant male into wild type female, 75 progeny are wild type. Only 75 are progeny are wild type, but if 100% progeny are wild type, then it would have been cytoplasmic inheritance. So D is not correct. Then next one. Which of the following is not a characteristic morphological feature of apoptotic cells? Disassembly of nuclear envelope. Yes, that is correct in apoptosis. DNA fragmentation. Yes. Increased cell size. No, apoptosis is characterized by cell shrinkage and not increased cell size. So C is not a characteristic morphological feature of apoptotic cell. Membrane blebbing is also with apoptosis. Competition between two populations in an ecosystem can be deleterious to both the population. Why? Because of three factors. One is resource limitation. There is scarcity of resources for food, water, space, etc. Another is interference. That is, one population, it will directly affect the survival of the other population or its reproduction. So that also can result in deleterious to both the population. Then another is exploitative competition, where both the population exploit the same resources, thereby reducing its availability. So that is also it can result in deleterious to both the population. That is competition between two populations. So that's it. Thank you for watching my channel. Please do like, share and subscribe if you are new to my channel. If you want still previous year question papers of IIT JAM being solved, you can go to my channel Omni Bio Entrance. In the playlist, select IIT JAM and you will get them there. Thank you.